Some wild rallies to talk about to start our show today. Let's bring in Tim Biggam, Delta Derivatives. Tim, gold futures surged above $2,100 per ounce for the first time ever this week. And take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin was all over the place on Tuesday, including reaching a new record high above 69,000. Why is money going into Bitcoin and gold?
I think we're starting to see, on the gold side, certainly that had more to do with the dollar and some maybe inflation fears finally with gold, which hasn't been much of an inflation hedge. And I think Bitcoin is just a, instrument that feeds on itself. We've seen that in the past as well. Once you see this rip higher, you get the momentum building, you get the maybe latecomers coming into the Bitcoin play. So we'll see how it plays out going forward. But we're seeing some of the Bitcoin related stocks show a little weakness up here. So maybe getting a little overdone on Bitcoin and those names, along with AI as well.
So your stance is FOMO may be at play in gold, Bitcoin, and AI. Are you staying away for now?
Yeah, this kind of speculative fervor, momentum, chasing, just because it's making new highs, I tend to stay away from it. I usually wait for kind of that day where you get that key reversal where it makes a new high, but then reverses and closes lower on the day.
What would be a trade for you?
Yeah, absolutely. So coin is certainly COIN, the major player out there as far as if you want to play. I think a stock that has really gotten ahead of itself. And on the AI side, I think, NVIDIA, the poster child, and AMD as well, has just absolutely gotten out of control and finally has, looks like it put in a short-term top.
And you're using a downside strategy in those stocks.
Exactly right, and do it in a guarded fashion, not outright shorting the stocks, but using, option strategies. Put calendar spreads, kind of picking a lower level to hang my hat where I think I wouldn't mind maybe, getting interested. So AMD is an example, somewhere around that 180 level. Go out and buy the April 180 puts, hedge it by selling shorter term puts against it.
All right, Tim, thank you so much.
You bet anytime, man. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.